Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio device in this John Cooper Works Mini. From any screen, if we click on telephone here, you'll see there you've got Bluetooth menu, select Bluetooth menu, and there you go. It's showing the phones that are already connected. Now I want to delete Barry's iPhone here. You see there's an arrow at that side. You see there you can either select it or click the rotary control to the side, then you get the new menu, configure device or remove device. If you go to configure device, see that allows you to select whether you want it as a telephone or Bluetooth audio, but we'll go back and click. So that's on my phone, click to the right, remove device, click remove device, and that's it gone.